Welcome to the Adjustable Proximity Sensor operating instructional video. The Adjustable Proximity Sensor is good for end users that need to use a switch that can be activated with little or no touch. If the end user fatigues easily with a mechanical switch, then the proximity sensors are a good solution. Before you begin using the power control module with the proximity sensor, it is recommended that you fully charge the power control module. This could take up to 4 hours to fully charge. To charge the power control module, plug in the end of the charging adapter cable that comes with the power control module with the round 2.5mm plug into the charging jack on the power control module. Plug the other end of the charging adapter into an AC outlet. The charging LED on the power control module will turn on and it should show red. When the charging LED on the power control module turns green, the power control module is fully charged and ready to use. With the power control module fully charged, connect the proximity sensor into the power control module. The connector on the proximity sensor has 3 pins that will have to line up with the 3 openings on the receptacle of the power control module. Plug the connector on the sensor fully into the receptacle on the power control module. Connect the patch cable. Plug one end of the patch cable that comes with the power control module into the output jack. Plug the other end of the cable into the device or computer that you want to control with the switch. Turn the power control module on by setting the rocker switch to either on with tone or on no tone. When you set the rocker switch to on with tone, you will hear a beep from the power control module each time the proximity sensor is activated. When you set the rocker switch to on no tone, you will not hear a beep from the power control module. The adjustable proximity sensor can be adjusted to work from 5/8 of an inch to touch. To adjust the sensitivity on the sensor, turn the adjusting wheel on the side of the sensor with the screwdriver provided. To decrease the sensitivity so that the sensing distance from the target area is smaller, turn the adjusting wheel to the left in the negative direction. To increase the sensitivity so that the sensing distance from the target area is larger, turn the adjusting wheel to the right in the positive direction. The adjustable proximity sensor can be adjusted to work through a table or a lap tray. To adjust the sensor to work through a table or lap tray, press the target area of the sensor up tight against the table or lap tray that you want to sense through. If the sensing LED turns on, decrease the sensitivity until the LED turns off. If the sensing LED does not turn on, increase the sensitivity until the LED turns on and then turn the sensitivity back down slightly until it turns off. Test the sensor by touching the area on the table or lap tray above the target area of the sensor. The sensing LED should turn on every time you touch that area. Test the sensor switch to make sure it's working properly. The green power LED on the proximity module should be on. Move your finger over the target area within 5/8 of an inch or less. The sensing LED should turn yellow. If you have the power control module set to on with tone, you will hear a beep from the power control module as well. The adjustable proximity sensor can be mounted using the 2 mounting holes on the sensor or by using Velcro on the back of the sensor. Do not use Velcro on the target area when mounting. Any body part that comes within 5/8 of an inch of the target area will trigger the sensor and then activate the relay inside the power control module, and in turn activating the device that you have the patch cable plugged into.